A little bit of playtime? Been stuck in the house all day, huh? Crazy dogs. You're so cute. Hey, Shay Shay. Gonna fight over the ball. Go around the tree. Hey, Shay Shay. What you doing, Captain? Our tomato plant's growing. We do have a few little tomatoes in here. This one seems like it had a bug on it, so hopefully we won't lose them. These have a ways to go before they can be pulled off. What you doing, Loki? Sweet boy. From a distance. You surprised me yesterday when you let me scratch behind your ears as I knelt down and didn't buck me. You were being a good boy, huh? Sometimes you can be. Today, surprisingly, we got rain, and we haven't had rain in months. Everything's been super, super dry. Finally got some rain, and now we have some grass. It's looking good. Got nice and wet on the ground. Hey, buddy. We're gonna have to fix that fence here soon. We're definitely giving it a good push. Hopefully it doesn't break. Well, all of these babies love to hang out inside the coop. Hey, Leroy. There's one of the guinea hens. Some more babies. Hey, guys. Well, all the guinea hens must have just went outside. These ladies are getting huge. Pretty soon gonna be laying some eggs for me. So I decided to put this kiddie pool in here and filled it with dirt. So every now and then they get in there and do a dirt bath. This girl's thinking about it. The tree branch that we placed in there is definitely a hit. They get on top of that. And you can see some of the guinea hens in there. Nope, every time I want to do that, one runs away. There's one of the guinea hens. They're getting really, really big and they're extremely noisy. But I'm glad because they keep away the predators. Hey, ladies. Hi, boys. Elmer and Wilbur. Don't worry. I'll get your food in a little bit. Hey, Wilson. You being driven crazy? We have decided that during the day we put Wilson out so he gives everybody a break because he likes to be a bully. And he's just not happy about it. Wilson. He can definitely be a butthead. Hi, Loki. Big boy. A few days ago we gave them all their medicines, clipped all their hooves. That was a chore. Very, very tiring. Hey, ladies. What do we have going on in here? Huh? What you got going on in here? It's been raining all afternoon. One of the guineas is going crazy. Look at this. All kinds of eggs. Good job, ladies. sometimes I find them randomly on the ground. But I don't see that today. But I'm happy about the eggs.